This 5-minute solution will show you how to post multiple pictures on Instagram story. So if you have a bunch of photos and now you want to add those photos in a single story, follow these quick steps. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom, select story, tap on create. Now you can change your story background color. Then tap on sticker at the top and here tap on gallery. Now select your first photo. You can resize the photo. Again tap on the sticker. Again tap on gallery. Select your second photo. Again tap on sticker. And that's how you'll be able to add multiple pictures on Instagram story. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.